Hey guys, it's Will. I'm really excited today to show you a new feature that we've been working on in Gravity, and that is the ability to ask questions from within an activity. Right now, students ask questions through our Discord server, but the issue there is that questions can get lost. So if I wanted to find a question that was asked, 30 days ago, it's kind of hard to find. You have to scroll up in Discord to go find it or try to use the search. However, in Gravity, we have the availability to ask questions now. So I can go in here, and right now I'm just out here in Gravity on the Full Stack Bootcamp course. And if you don't currently have access to the bootcamp, it has a lot of content for you to go through. So I encourage you to get a free trial and start it yourself. But right now I'm just looking at Matt's JavaScript data types video. And say I'm going through here and I have a question, what are floating point numbers? So that's a good question. Could you explain floats? You mentioned it in the video, but I need more clarification. This is a perfectly valid question. I think a lot of people want to know what floats are, and this applies to more than just me. If you have a question that applies to just you, you might ask it in Discord, but a lot of your questions can apply to other people. So you can mark the response as anonymous, and what that does is it hides your name from being displayed to everybody, just in case you don't want people knowing that this is you that asked the question. And when you're done with it, you can hit submit. There we go. So now you can see the question here. Okay, William Johnston asked this August 2nd. You mentioned it in the video. Now, anyone, whether they're a student or instructor, can respond to your question. And the responses are done in the same manner. You can use Markdown. If you're unfamiliar with Markdown, there's a link here to go and practice it. One cool thing is that instructors will leave video feedback for you. So if you have a pretty in-depth question, it might require us to clone a repository and give a little walkthrough. We can do that with a video. So it just so happens that out on our YouTube, Matt has this floating points walkthrough. This is a great video to answer the question that I just put up. So I'm just going to link that video in here and say, hey, Will, Matt has a video for you. And put the link in there, mark it as the answer, and then submit. Now you can see the videos here, and you can go through and watch it. And this is just a great way for us to provide more content for everyone and make it easier for people to get their questions answered while they're going through the course without having to go to Discord and wait for people or search for old questions. So that about sums it up. Just wanted to show you guys this feature, and hopefully you guys can start using it, and we'll create more videos for you guys.